Okay, Carter, so, we had the short game lesson,
Yeah.
last week, and it looked like that went real well. So I'm glad you called me to have a golf lesson on your full swing. So, just a couple of questions since we're working on the full golf swing this week. And the first thing that I'd like to ask you is since we're going to be swinging full, do you have any physical disabilities or anything like that that's going to hinder you or hurt you when you're swinging the golf club?
No, I'm healthy all the way.
Okay, well that's good. So we don't have to worry about that. All right. So the next thing is, you said you were about a 12 to 15 handicap. So tell me a little bit about like when you hit a shot and it doesn't go so well. What kind of ball flight do you normally have?
All right. Well, I'm definitely closer to 12 now after that chipping lesson. But with the full swings, and especially kind of with the irons, maybe with the driver too, but the irons, it feels like it's starting left and then it's hooking left.
Okay.
So it just ends up way left.
Okay.
It's not starting on my line and going left. It's starting left and then just keeps going left the whole way.
Okay, so it starts left and it keeps going left. What kind of height do you have on the shot? Is it normal height or?
No, it seems like whenever I catch it good, the very slight times when I catch it good, it goes higher.
Okay.
So whenever I'm hitting it bad, like the pull hook left, it's going pretty low. It's not getting very high.
Okay, that sounds good. All right, let me ask you this: when you're hitting, I know how much you practiced your short game. So how many times a week do you hit golf balls?
If I'm lucky, like once a week, but it's more like once every other week, once every week and a half type thing. Not very often.
Okay. Now let me ask you this: how many times do you play?
Probably about the same amount. Usually when I'm hitting balls, it's either right before or right after I play, just so I get it all in one session. But I don't really have a ton of time to like practice and then also play at the same. So it's usually the same day when I hit the practice and then I also play.
Okay, all right. Well, that gives us a lot to work with. So I tell you what, let's do. Why don't we go ahead and hit a couple of shots and then we'll go from there. How about that?
Awesome.
Why don't you hit me a couple? Okay. Yeah, that definitely did go left. So hit me two more. All right, go right ahead. Okay, good. Now that's kind of the ball flight that you were telling me about right there. It went left, but you did hit it.
Mm-hmm. That one went a little higher, but
Yeah.
still
Okay,
bad.
one more. Let me get right over here on this one. I want to see something here. Okay, go ahead.